Okay, today's video is on cleaning the Samsung dishwasher. Now, this is something the manufacturer recommends to do once a month, and we'll just find the model number here. It's Model DW80CG5420SR. It's just a regular dishwasher. It pops open when it's done to let the steam out. It's not too bad. And so we're just going to pull this out here. And take a look at what we have to clean. Just tilt the camera up. There we go. All right. So what we want to do is make sure the bar's straight and just turn this counterclockwise, and the whole piece lifts out just like that. Now just check it. It looks pretty clean. Let's put it up here. And then the other piece is this here, which I think I'll just, it looks a little fuzzy. So I think I'm going to try and clean, look, it's grease and grime in here. So I'm going to clean that out in the sink. And then I'm just going to reach down in the hole here and feel for food. And I guess this is food. Looks like plastic. Well, I don't know. Got in there somehow. So let's see, there's nothing else in there, and it seems pretty good. So we'll just go up and clean the other piece now. This piece. Okay, so we're just going to run some warm water, a little hot water. Got a brush. It is a fine filter. I don't want to poke any holes with it into it. Just use my hand first, and maybe just a little scrubbing. I'm not too sure about using like dish soap, because I don't want to get any dish soap into the washing machine. Well, that looks a little better. It's not as dirty as it was before. There's no grease caught in it in the filter, so it came out pretty clean. That's always good. And now we're just going to go back down to the dishwasher. Okay, before I start putting everything back in, I'm just going to take a white cloth here, and you should clean around here, like look for dirt on the seal. It looks okay. But another important place is actually just under here, under the door. You can't really see it, obviously, because the way the camera is, but food, there is a little gap there, and food and stuff will gather there. And I think you really notice it kind of when you open the dishwasher, and you kind of have like, it's kind of not a very nice smell. So I'm just going to wipe it. Now you see the cloth is white, so I'm just going to wipe across once, and you can see, yeah, there was crap down there. So I think I'll wipe it again on another part just for good luck, and that's clean. Good stuff. So now I'm just going to pop the filter back in where I found it. And I'll put this on top, and the arrow's facing forward, but I mean, it only really fits on one way. And then I'm going to just turn it clockwise until it's tight, and then that's it. So this is much easier to clean now on this Samsung dishwasher than the old ones. My old one had a cover on it, and that involved removing about 20 screws and lifting it off and taking the arm off, and it's really good they've changed it, because it was pretty bad. So that's how easy it is to clean this. You just have to clean it, I think once a month is a good thing. As you can see, quite a bit of grease had sort of accumulated a bit in the bottom here, and it's always good to keep it clean and you have a nice fresh smell. Well, that's it for cleaning the dishwasher. Hope you enjoyed it.